Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to create Amazon account without phone number. To do so, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. For now, I'm choosing Safari. Then on the searching bar, search for amazon.com. Then the official website of Amazon will be opened. On the top, you will see sign in option. Simply hit on that. From there, select create account. Now add your first and last name. Now, since you do not want to use phone number, use your email address and create a password and hit on the continue, and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.